Welcome to my programming school. If you want to build such a good application like any project, mini project, if you want to build, so this is the one of the platform myprogrammingschool.com, where you can find the different project which is done by the all the done by the student. So you can see here all the, you can only not project, you can see the courses, all those things. You can find all the codes examples, like in the Python courses example, and you can find the all the codes algorithm. And if you go in the Java also, there is a different courses are there, algorithm are there, and you can find there. And mainly this is for the project. Actually all the student whatever they are building, so they are keeping all the project here. You can go in the project and you can see the project, like you can see the here notepad editor by GNI applications. So many students they build like online quiz applications, and you can see the all the code, you completely code, you can find it here. You can go click, you can see all the completely code, you can find it here. Complete code you can find it here. Let me show you. See, you can see this complete code. You can see here all the complete code, you can find it here. You can completely, you can find this all code, and you can modify it and you can execute yourself. Let me to show you more project. You can see different project like, wait, loading, taking this. This became already. And color changing project, you can see the all due to the applet. This is a simple project. You can see also this project. If you want to build, if you want to see the code, you can see this is the code here. Here is the diagram, you can see. If you click on the button, and then you can change the color according to the button. If you click in the green, then you can change the green. If you click on the red, there is a button given already, so you can click on the yeah, the given button. So you can click there, and you can change the color of the frame. So such a beautiful, they all done by the student only. You can see all the projects here, and you can see more project is there below. You can go in the more, uh, you can see more project. If you'll go in the project, so you can see the more project is there. And daily uploading is going on. And you can also post, if you want know, if you want to post as a guest, so you can also post. And you can see here, this is a guest post, you can post here. Let me show you. As a guest post, you can also come here, and you can type your titles. You can upload the media and write the code here. You can select the images, and you can post it here also. We will publish your code also. So let me show you more project, interesting project. And one of the good project one student build, I want to show you those. And that is also the back end and front end. And that is on the some simple, they given a BPO management system. So let me to show you. Where is that? uh, See, all those things is given, all completely code, you can find it here. See, all the completely code is here. I'm going to upload now, and you'll see complete code is there. This is only one, but I will show you all. There is all code is there. I will show you. uh, Here is one. uh, Let me show you all this. See, login form, all those form is there given, all the images, all those things is there. I will zip it, and I will keep it there, and you can learn there. And if you go in the this, you can find the code. All the, sorry, yeah, this is the all code. Complete code is there. All code you can find it here. Complete code. And you can go document how to execute the all the documentary they build. Actually all the documentary they build, how it's working, how all the documentary is completely documentary, you can find it here. All the documentary is there, you can find it here. And let me show you another thing. uh, Sorry, complete PPT is this. Okay, wait. They given their team name, all those things, how they build, all those things they given. what are the page you can find it here. See, you can see the pages. Let me show you slide. No, first page if you'll find this like then second page login page and show button will be there. All the button, all that they made are like wow, transparent. All those things are transparent. They build. You can build also this also all. And let me show you more. Then you can find the here you can upload the project, all those things. And they also build the backend. They build. Wow, completely they build all those things. Yeah, you can see here. I'll show you practical here there. Already I executed. I'll show you this thing. The other day, so you can see the whatever the password you want to hide, then you can hide. If you want to select, if you want to walk email ID, you can enter here, and you can log in, sign in, back. You can go back also. Yeah, if you want to walk higher, if you log in, sign up, then only. Otherwise, it will not go forward. Actually, if you want to select, go login, go login. It's not going on. See, if you entered wrong, so or anything is invalid, then they will show you message all those things. So you can enter correct password. See, okay. Otherwise, go for sign up. So you can see this page, and you can do the sign up. Like let me just give you anything. Okay. How much? One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You can select your age. Any age you can select just what you are. You can select email ID, what you want to give email. Five. Okay, I'm giving. You can give anything. 3, 4, 5. Just example I'm showing. You can just you can okay. You can see the password. Okay, and what you want to do, work higher, what you want to do, and then sign up. Login successfully done. This is simple project, not as such a big, but you can modify this all those things. You can see, choose the name of your project. You can title, you can give your project description, you can give email ID, you can browse, you can browse your project from here also. And upload this, you can upload this. Next you can go. Okay, all all those what the project they did, and they, you can see there here. Okay, and you can go categories, all those things. Category you can select all those things. You can go and you can see all those things. Okay, and also in the backend also already they build. So this is a table already, whatever they submitted, the table will become in the backend. You can see in the backend also what who submitted, at the what age of person they submitted, all the student they are a student or whom, email ID, and all those things you can submit. You can see here backend. So this is the one complete project you can see there. And this is not only there are so many projects. I will show you. You can go and you can see there, check, you can go and check there in the myprogramming.school.com, and you can learn there so many things. You can learn there. You can create your profile. Already login, so log out. I am doing log out. So you can see, you can go the profile, and you can log in there, and you can wait, and you can submit your post, all those things. And you can see the all the documents, all those things. You can see all the, you can learn here. All the code is already there. You can learn so many things. Mm. So currency converter, canteen bill, and how to calculate, sorry, how to make calculator using swing application. All those things you can see there. ATM application I will show you one. That is also nice, they build, I think. One student they build a banking application. You can see, so all complete code you can see. all these thing images, they all they see. You can, I'll show you this also. They all they build themselves student only. You can come and you can learn here all those things. Okay, open, loading. You can see, you can you can write all those things here, and you can, all those things will be appear here in the back end of, you'll see in the back end all those things. And this is the complete code already they given in here, so you can easily, you can find it all those things. So such, thank you for watching this all, and you can go and you can register yourself. No need to register, you can just log in there, and you can access this all code without of anything paying. This is not a paid like so you can easily, you can learn, and all those things you can learn, and you can post as a guest also. If you, if you know anything, if you have anything, then you can post it here. Oh, so thank you, thank you, have a good night.